Your filtration expert, so Jiffy, will support you in the maintenance of the filter elements. To carry out a quality professional service, we recommend you have the appropriate tools for the job. To gain access to the fuel filter, remove the front wheel on the passenger side. Disassemble the wheel housing by unscrewing every screw. Don't forget to remove the clips. Remove the wheel housing and locate the fuel filter. Unplug the sensor and the fuel hoses. Remove the lid. Empty the fuel in the fuel filter. Insert the tube in the bottom of the filter. Screw it in. Push the filtering element and remove the tube. Remove the used filter element. Change the drain plug seal. Change the seal by first dipping it into fuel. Screw on the drain plug. Put the lid back on. Screw on the 5 screws. Use a torque wrench to tighten the screws. Place the new filter. Plug in the sensor, the fuel intake, and the fuel outtake. Reposition the filter's housing. Screw in the 4 bolts. Reassemble the wheel housing. Finally, start the engine to prime the filter. Don't forget to put the old filter in its dedicated disposal container. Trust your filtration expert.